Residential Site Valuation and Cost Approach, page 22. Government Survey System. The Government Survey System, also called Government Rectangular Survey or Rectangular Survey System. Some parts of the country also use the similar Virginia Military Survey System. Is a type of legal description for land referencing principal meridians and baselines designated throughout much of the country. With the government survey system, a parcel of land is identified by directions and coordinates, which count from these lines as reference points. Additional north-south lines called ranges or range lines run parallel to principal meridians at 6-mile intervals. And additional east-west lines called township lines run parallel to baselines at 6-mile intervals. This breaks up land into 6-mile by 6-mile squares called townships. Extra note, have a general understanding of this. Principal meridian, up and down. Range line, up and down. Baseline on the bottom. Range lines go up. Township lines go east, west, left, right. And then you have your township, which is a 6-mile by 6-mile. Township identification. Using principal meridians and baselines, each principal meridian and baseline has a unique name or number. The 36 square miles of a township are subdivided into 36 sections of 1 square mile, 640 acres each. Each section in a township is numbered sequentially, so that a person can locate her land by referring to the section number and subsequent references to half and quarter sections with compass points. Any portion of land that cannot be divided into equal fractional lots is designated as a government lot. Page 23. 6 miles by 6 miles. Each of the little squares is 1 mile by 1 mile. This is a township divided into 36 sections. Extra note, remember this. 1 township equals 36 sections. 1 section equals 640 acres, which equals 1 square mile. 1 square mile equals 640 acres. 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. A typical parcel of land is located within a section. A legal description from this method would use directions and quadrants. Look at the following diagram. A section, 1 square mile, 640 acres. You got your 1 mile up and down, left and right. You got northwest 1/4 of northwest 1/4. South 1/2 of northwest 1/4, southwest 1/4, east half. Extra note, they teach a great continuing ed class here. Fun little system. A legal description might read north half, 1/2, northeast 1/4 of northwest 1/4. Always start from the end of the description and work backwards. We are talking about the northwest 1/4. So look at the upper left corner of the section. Then read the rest of the description to determine which part of the Northwest 1/4 is being talked about. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The south half of Northwest 1/4 is shaded like this. Example 2. The Northwest 1/4 of Northwest 1/4 is shaded like this. Example 3. The north half, Northeast 1/4 of Northwest 1/4 is shaded like this. In addition to being able to locate a parcel of land within a section for the appraisal exam, you may also need to know how to calculate the land acreage for a given parcel of land. With the government survey system, calculating acreage is rather easy. Again, start from the end of the legal description and work backwards.